Hey guys, it's Mozzy. That's right. I'm doing some fog lights for my Toyota 4Runner. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. So I got 4Runner Lifestyle fog lights. I think I got a great deal on them. Black Friday came out. I did not want to spend too much money on Baja, although they're awesome lights, Baja lights. But I don't feel like spending $200, $300, $500 on a pair of fog lights. I wanted yellow fog lights. So the 4Runner Lifestyle was offering their own fog lights for a deal of around $102 for Black Friday. I couldn't pass it on. They say that each light illuminates 2,880 lumens and has 5,000 hours of life. Built out of aluminum, sounded pretty good. Looks like pretty good quality to me for right now. But let's install them and let's test them out. Hopefully, I can get it without removing the bumper, but we'll see. By taking out the fender liners, I'm gonna try to pull them back a little bit and get in that way. Right now it's cold. I don't feel like taking off the whole bumper, so let's see if I can do it.
All you need is a 10mm socket wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver.
All right, so let's start. I'm on the driver's side. I have to remove this 10 millimeter bolt and these two plastic clips out of here. So let's see if I can get a good angle to show you guys. Seems to be one more bolt holding it under here. One bolt right there. Just unplug it.
Definitely use a shorter screwdriver than what I have.
All right, so now, since I took it out this way, you see it's high, low, the angle. I have to get the same one, same side. So you see it, right? So these here goes inside those two, right there. Let's see if we can do it.
Do not over tighten the screws.
Now, make sure you connect this. All right, passenger side, same thing. 10mm bolt and two plastic clips. Dust cover on it, or remove that. All right, guys. So this cover covers the passenger side fog light. As you can see, this is clips on it. Just yanked it. This one yanked it, and it came right off. Nothing broke. Same thing. Two Phillips heads. Let's remove those. First, let's unplug it. So now when you put these fog lights in, be this way. These right here go right inside those grooves right there. You can see it better from the outside. All right. Also, this connects either way. So you want to make sure you connect the right way. So before you put everything back, turn on your fog lights because you might have connected the wrong way.
If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
So fitment's not bad. Now let's put everything back. So these are right now the headlights, stock fog lights, off. Stock on, fog lights off. All right, now let's test it out. The 4Runner Lifestyle fog lights. First time. Let's check it out. Damn, that's good. Holy crap. Compared to my stock fog lights, which were, I think they were HIDs also, pretty good. Or LEDs, though, I'm sorry, they were LEDs. But wow, this is much more brighter, throws a lot more light out. Now, I need another switch so I can control the fog light separately from the high beams. All right. As you just seen, the light output is pretty good for its price. I like it. I'm gonna definitely keep it. I definitely need a, what's it called? The bright box switch? Yeah. I think I'm gonna get that for Christmas. We'll see. Um, but yeah, the install is not bad. It took about 40 minutes or so. I had a few hiccups, learning curve. Um, Definitely get a shorter screwdriver. That will make it much easier. But for now, that's it. See you guys later.